Find the installation package and install the visual cutting machine software. Then install the camera driver. The driver to be installed varies by camera brand. Hikvision is used as a demonstration here. Note, if the driver is not installed, the camera area will not be displayed showing a black screen when the software is open. Install the LaserCAD software and click USB driver installation, then change the language. Open the visual cutting machine software. Set the network port of the cutting machine to 190 to port 1688X. Please note that the value of X cannot be set to 8. This will cause a conflict with the IP address of the main control board. X can be set to any value between 1 and 99, excluding E and bar. Open the network center. Connect the camera to the computer via an Ethernet cable, and set the computer's IP address to obtain automatically. Connect the cutting machine and the computer, and change the local IP address of the computer's network to 19.168.8.x. Open the visual cutting machine software. Click File, System Settings, Change Language, and restart the software to complete the setup. Before debugging, place a white paper for trial operation first. Click File, give System Settings. Select the corresponding camera brand, and camera type gives Hikvision, gives OK. Read the board parameters and save them. Click. What gives user parameters gives read, gives apply in sequence. Place the card on the laid white paper and click photograph. Check whether the direction of the card content displayed by the camera matches the actual direction. Set the border with all four sides set to 20. Set the grid space interval to 100. After modifying the parameters, click Gen Code 8. Click the working option. Set the laser tube power for cutting paper. Click the Start Guiding option after the setting is completed, and wait for the camera calibration and cutting to finish. Click the software camera icon. Click Photograph Param and adjust the exposure to facilitate the positioning of the marked cutting position. After adjustment, click the software camera icon to check. If the image is overexposed, adjust again until the platform is clearly visible. Click the software square icon. Frame the cutting area. Click Vision Cal Data and observe whether the cutting area is covered by purple calibration lines. If it is not fully covered, click the software cross icon. Click the center of the uncovered part, and so on. After completion, click Save Calibrate and restart the software.